Now in the fifth video of some basic concept of chemistry, we'll find out how to find out the molecular formula. Some basic concept of chemistry. Calculation of molecular formula. To calculate the molecular formula, first step is, that is, number 1, calculate empirical formula. Then calculate empirical formula mass. Number 1, empirical formula. Number 2, empirical formula mass. Then third, if vapor density is given to you, then you can use the molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density, and if molecular mass is already given to you, then molecular formula mass is equal to N into empirical formula mass. So these are the steps which is involved to calculate the molecular formula. So I will take you one example. Take one example for you. That is NCERT. This is NCERT question only. A compound contains hydrogen 4.07%, carbon 24.27%, and chlorine is 71.65%. And molar mass is given to you in this question. Molar mass of the compound is given to you is 98.96 grams. Now we have to find out empirical formula as well as molecular formula. So again we'll draw the table as we have drawn in the previous video. Lines are not straight, but I am trying to draw it. Yes, so first, in the first column we will write down, that is, element. Then percentage, then atomic mass, then moles of element, then simplest molar ratio, and last is that's a whole number ratio, simplest whole number ratio. So first is hydrogen, second is carbon, and third is chlorine. Hydrogen percentage is given to you 4.07%, carbon 24.27%, and chlorine is 71.65%. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, and chlorine is 35.5. So moles of alkyl, that is percentage by atomic mass. So 4.07 divided by 1, 24.27 divided by 12, and 71.65 divided by 35.5. So when we will divide it, in the first case we will get 4.07. Second case it will be 2.02. Third case again it will be 2.02. Now among the three, the lowest is 2.02. So we will divide by 2.02. So 4.07 divided by 2.02. So that is equal to 2. Second case 2.02 by 2.02, that is equal to 1. Then 2.02 divided by 2.02, that is again equal to 1. So ratio plus ratio will be 2, 1, 1. It means carbon 1, hydrogen 2, and Cl 1. So this is the empirical formula. This is the empirical formula. So we will calculate empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. So that will be equal to 12 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 1. So it will be 2 plus 35.5. So when we will add it, it will come out 49.5. Molecular mass is given to you. Molecular formula mass is given to you in the question is 98.96 grams. So formula is, that is molecular formula mass is equal to N into empirical formula mass. So N will be equal to here 2. So molecular formula mass is 98.96 divided by 49.5 is equal to 2. So molecular formula will be two into CH2Cl. So that will be equal to C2H4Cl2. So this is the method to find out the molecular formula. One more questions related to vapor density I will like to tell you. Okay. So An organic compound containing carbon 40.687%, hydrogen 5.085%, oxygen 54.228%. These are given in the question. I have not written the detailed question, only the given part I am writing. And vapor density is given to you is 59. Vapor density is given to 59, and we have to find out molecular formula. So first step is to calculate the empirical formula. So in the first column we will write down element, second column percentage, third column atomic mass, fourth column that is number of moles of the element, fifth column that is simplest ratio, and sixth column is the simplest whole number ratio. First column is element, second column is percentage, third column atomic mass, fourth column moles of the element, fifth column is simplest molar ratio and simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio. Okay, the first is carbon. Percentage is 40.687%. Then hydrogen is 5.085%, oxygen 54.228%, mass carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. So 40.687 divided by 12, it comes out 3.390. Hydrogen 5.085 by 1, so it is equal to 5.085. Then oxygen 54.228 divided by 16, so that is equal to 3.389, so roughly equal to the same. Now the smallest is 3.389, so divide each number by 3.389 is equal to 1. Second is 5.085 divided by 3.389, and that is equal to 1.5, and last it will be equal to 1. 3.389 divided by 3.389, that is equal to 1. So here again fractional value has come, so we will multiply each digit by 2. So if we multiply it, so it will become 2, this will become 3, and this will become 2. So the empirical formula will be empirical formula is equal to C2H3O2. C2H3O2. So now second step, find out the empirical formula mass. No, here not required because already we have we have to n factor अगर find करना है तो करना होगा. Empirical formula mass will be equal to, that is 2 into 12 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 16 into 2. So that will be equal to 59. That is equal to 59. Now molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density, because in the question vapor density is given to you. So 2 into 59, so that is equal to 118. So the third formula also we have to use, that is empirical molecular mass is equal to n into empirical formula mass. So 118 is equal to 1 into 59. So n is equal to 2. Therefore the molecular formula will be equal to 2 into empirical formula. So 2 into C2H3O2, so C4H6O4 is the molecular formula. Likewise, many numericals are there which way you can do it. Now in today's video we have studied the two numericals of empirical formula, how to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. Many more numericals are there. Please get it from somewhere and solve it.